Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on Ethereum name services. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Ethereum name services has broken out a quite long-term descending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos. And now if we take a look at the live 7 days time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, the price and rallied very well. And by the way, the target that I was telling you for this breakout from this descending triangle was here at this resistance of $38.50. And you can see that the price end has almost reached there, but got rejected by this long-term resistance on that starts from $27.65 and goes to $30. You can see that we have so many spikes inside this resistance on. We got rejection here, rejection here, rejection here, and here we had a spike beyond this resistance on, but the price end could not break it out here and here as well. And by the way, previously it was also working as a resistance here. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for Ethereum name services that I shared a few days ago on 15th of September 2024 with my members. And this signal produced almost 30% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Ethereum name services that I shared a few days ago on 15th of September 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal butterfly move that Ethereum name services completed on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. In fact, it was completing the final leg. Therefore, I told my members that we can wait for the price to drop more down within this price range. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price and drop more down, completed the leg, and dropped slightly more down than this potential reversal on here. However, recovered back very soon, and then we had a very, very powerful pump, and this was almost more than 30% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, we got almost 22% pump. And this move I shared on 14th of July 2024, and this was a harmonic bullish reversal Gardner pattern that Ethereum name services formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal, buying on and the sell targets on, and below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, and you can see that the price I nicely moved up from the buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target sign. This was almost 22% pump, and after that you can see that we had a bigger pump as well. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the link to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of Ethereum name services. And this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that previously, since after the month of May 2022, it has been moving inside this very big and long-term descending triangle. You can see that we got rejection here, bounce here, then we had another bounce and reach the resistance here. Then we got 2 more rejections here and few more rejections here as well from the month of January 2023 up till the month of April 2023. The pricing was getting rejected, and then we had another bounce here at the support of the triangle. Then we had few more touch points here, then we had few more touch points here, and finally after a few more rejections, the price and broke out the resistance of this descending triangle. And after the breakout, imminently we broke out this very long-term resistance of $10.50 that was previously working as a support here, and almost as support here. And for a few weeks, it has been working as a resistance here as well. And after that, the price then also broke out this resistance of $14 and this resistance of $18 as well. That was previously working as a resistance here and here. And now you can see that recently we have again broken down this support of $18, and it is possible that the price then may test this support of $14 once again. Previously, by the way, we had a long spike up to $14 support and bounced very well, and recently before that it had been testing the support of $14 here as well. By the way, here we have also found this quite long-term uptrend line support as well. That can be another reason that can stop the price and to test the support of $14. In case of the price and breaks down this support of $14, then this uptrend line support, then it can test the support of $14 in case of breaking down this uptrend line support. Now, as I was telling you in my so many previous videos, that if the price and breaks out this triangle, this descending triangle, then technical target for the breakout from this descending triangle can be here at this long-term resistance of $38.50 that was previously breaking as a resistance here. And you can see that after the breakout, the price and moved very close to this target. You can see that the price had moved up to $34.58. And I'm expecting that soon it can also hit this target as well. But before that, we will need to break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $27.30. And if the price end will be able to completely break out this resistance on, then this long-term resistance on will be flipped into a long-term support zone for the price line of Ethereum named services. And this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.